Welcome, audiophiles and cinephiles, to the haven of surround sound and the heart of your home entertainment system. In a world filled with a plethora of options, how do you determine which AV receiver is the crown jewel of your setup? The central hub that brings all your audio and video components together? The answer lies not just in the number of HDMI inputs or the raw power it delivers to your speakers. It lies in sound quality, user experience, compatibility, and of course, the performance that makes you feel the thunderous applause of a concert, the tension in a thriller, the heartache in a drama. Welcome to our comprehensive guide to the best AV receivers of this year. So, sit back, relax, and get ready to enhance your home theater experience. Let's dive in. If you want to check the latest prices or want to know more about the products, links of all the products mentioned in this video are given in the description. At number 5, we have Marantz Cinema 50. The Marantz Cinema 50 is a refined AV receiver that stands out among its peers with its innovative features and exceptional performance. This 9-channel powerhouse with its 110 watts per channel offers enough juice to power a full Atmos or DTS:X setup, making it an ideal choice for an immersive home cinema experience. One of the standout features of the Cinema 50 is its excellent room correction capabilities. It comes equipped with Audyssey's Multi-Q XT32, a top-tier onboard room correction system that offers high precision and a large number of filters. The Cinema 50 doesn't stop at excellent audio performance. It's also a capable participant in the world of 8K. It features 6 HDMI inputs, all of which support 8K video and upscaling to 8K. Additionally, the Cinema 50 is compatible with all major HDR formats, including Dolby Vision and HDR10+. On the aesthetic front, Cinema 50 takes a decidedly different approach. It sports carbon-look end panels and a cantilevered center fascia, a departure from the usual full-width display and button-laden front panels seen on many AV receivers. Instead, Marantz opts for a more minimalist design with a porthole display and 2 large knobs for input select and volume 1. While Cinema 50 is packed with positives, it does have a few drawbacks. For instance, native streaming primarily requires the use of the HEOS app, and there's no confirmation of the surround mode when streaming from a TV. Despite these minor inconveniences, the Cinema 50's robust feature set, excellent performance, and refined aesthetics make it a worthy addition to any home theater setup. At number 4, we have Denon AVRX5800H. The Denon AVRX5800H is an impressive 9.4-channel AV receiver that modernizes your entertainment with a suite of advanced audio and video technologies. With 9 channels of amplification, up to 4 independent subwoofers, and support for Dolby Atmos and DTS:X, it immerses you in theater-quality sound, making you feel like you're in the center of the action. One of the AVRX5800H's biggest selling points is its 8K readiness, offering unparalleled video quality from the latest technology available. It supports 8K video on all 6 HDMI inputs and 2 of the 3 outputs, ensuring easy video compatibility and exceptional picture quality. The receiver offers excellent configuration flexibility, allowing you to adjust your home theater setup to meet your needs. The Dirac Live Room Correction feature is a boon for enhancing speaker performance and reducing room impact, offering a truly optimized high-impact audio experience. Despite its robust features, the AVRX5800H may be slightly intimidating for novice users due to the numerous setup options. Additionally, the price might be a hurdle for some. However, for those seeking a next-level AV receiver that delivers peak entertainment, it's worth the investment. With the HEOS built in, you can wirelessly stream and share online music between rooms and control it all with the HEOS app, enhancing your multi-room audio experience. If you're looking to elevate your home theater experience, the Denon AVRX5800H is a compelling choice. At number 3, we have Onkyo TXRZ50. The Onkyo TXRZ50 is an impressive 9.2-channel AV receiver, capable of processing 11 channels with an additional amplifier. This high-performance beast delivers dynamic and high-quality sound with minimal distortion, thanks to its 120 watts per channel power output and Onkyo's proprietary dynamic audio amplification technology. The receiver's wide-range amplifier technology and THX-certified select status further attest to its superior sound quality. Connectivity is a breeze with the TXRZ50. With 7 HDMI inputs and 2 outputs, it easily accommodates all your devices, supporting both 4K and 8K video. Moreover, its multitude of analog, component, and digital inputs leave no room for connection woes. The built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth capabilities allow for seamless music streaming and convenient voice control via Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant. The receiver also has an Ethernet port for network connections, facilitating music streaming from network-attached storage devices and enabling firmware updates. A phono input is included for vinyl enthusiasts. Setting up the TXRZ50 might take some time, but it's worth it. The Dirac Live calibration system ensures a truly fine-tuned listening experience. At number 2, we have Yamaha RXA6A. The Yamaha AVRX RXA6A is a 9.2 channel AV receiver that promises an immersive, high-quality audiovisual experience. The device is meticulously designed to optimize every detail of your entertainment, from the faintest whispers to the most dynamic on-screen movements. It is equipped with 8K HDMI and MusicCast, offering a rich and captivating sound experience. The RXA6A delivers a powerful 150-watt surround sound and features advanced technologies such as Dolby Atmos height virtualization and DTS-X with Cinema DSP HD3. Built-in artificial intelligence technology in the DSP creates an optimal surround effect by analyzing the scene of the entertainment content and optimizing the sound in real time. This technology gives the impression of having a Yamaha sound engineer tuning the sound live specifically for you, creating a compelling sense of realism and enhancing your entertainment experience. Additionally, the RXA6A supports voice control with Amazon Alexa, Siri, and Google Assistant, and includes connectivity options like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and MusicCast multi-room audio. With its careful attention to detail and commitment to producing first-class performance, the AVRX RXA6A is a remarkable work of visual and acoustic art. Finally, at number 1, we have Denon AVRX4800H. Imagine experiencing a cinematic spectacle in the comfort of your home. This vision becomes a reality with the Denon AVRX4800H. Crafted in Japan, this powerhouse envelops your living space in breathtaking 3D audio through its 9.4 channels of amplification. With Dolby Atmos, DTS-X, IMAX Enhanced, and Auro 3D, you're not just watching a film, you're in the heart of the action. The AVRX4800H is more than an AV receiver. It's a hub for your entertainment system. It supports 8K video across all 7 HDMI inputs and 2 outputs, ensuring compatibility with the latest visual formats. With eARC support and pass-through for HLG, HDR, Dolby Vision, HDR10+, and Dynamic HDR, your picture quality is guaranteed to be stellar, regardless of source. Discrete high-current amplifiers deliver up to 125 watts per channel, providing more refined sound in large spaces. The AVRX4800H also offers unparalleled flexibility and setup options to meet your needs, including 11.4 channel processing capability and pre-amplifier mode. Plus, it's ready for future upgrades with optional Dirac Live upgradability. Top it off with room correction options from Odyssey or Dirac Live, and you've got a system that optimizes performance for your specific space. And with HEOS built in, wirelessly stream your favorite music to transform everyday listening into an immersive experience. Embrace the future of home theater with the Denon AVRX4800H. If you like the video, please like and share the video and subscribe to our channel.